Wait, did you, someone just hacked me? I can't now get in my account and I'm really scared. This is not my account. This is my backup account. I can't get into it. I already did say that. I'm talking to my friend, by the way. I cannot log. Okay. Oh, I can't even log into my backup either. Oh wait, I'm putting the wrong password. Oh, I got a new email. Okay. Yes, she tried to hack me. I'm gonna try logging in. I got it out. I'm gonna try to log into my account. I'm gonna try to log in. Oh my god! I'm putting the right password, I swear, guys. It's not letting me log in. Hold up, my cousin's texting me. Okay. I'm gonna check my email then. There's no new emails. Only the old email when she changed it. Oh my god, I need the password to my account. I'm so scared right now. Wait, I should make a new account and start texting her. A boy account, something like that. I don't know. What should the account name be? Cutie Pie. I already put a name. It's Cutie Pie, something like that. So I'm on the phone with my friend and she's seeing what the hacker is doing, trying to get the hacker off of my account. The hacker changed my bio? Oh my god, I'm gonna go check this. She's gonna show me a picture. You have been hacked, dun. Oh my god. Oh. I don't care about you freaking pixie sticks. Get out of my way. Trying to get my account back, you little fart face. I'm gonna put my headphones back on. So, apparently, Pixie Stick wants to let me lose my time and not let me add my account. This is my account. Oh my god, hopefully she doesn't use the scary animations that I have. Ew! She put the ugliest clothes I have. She left my animation there. She put the 2 rares on me. She didn't take my hair off, what hackers usually do. They leave the t-shirt, they take the pants off, and they lose the hair, they lose the shoes. They do that. She put a new animation? What the heck? I'm friending it. That's like the worst animation ever. Do it. Ew. Wait, hopefully she doesn't use the other one. Hopefully she doesn't use the other one with the long tongue. Yeah. Hi, Mom. Oh my god. Because there is an animation with the long tongue. She hasn't added me back. Hold up. Hold on, let me see. She won't friend me back. She won't friend me back. I'm gonna text her normally. She won't friend me back, so I'm gonna text her. Hello, please friend me back. Please friend me back. I'm a big fan. Yeah, I texted. Oh my god. That's so true. The animation's so true because the animation is eating me, which means the hacker is eating me, getting rid of me, and replacing it. It's been 6 minutes already. I'm so scared right now. What? Yeah, she tells me back. I'm gonna say to get off my account. Why not? What did I do to you? It's not fun to hack people. Huh? Later, I will later. Okay, so I'm gonna ask her, why did she choose me? Why did you choose me and not Emily or Cole? Choose me and wonder you got fired. I'm gonna try to log in. What's the password? What's the password for the account? I just don't know it. I need to figure it out. What? What is the password? What would Alicia put as a password? Her username. She must have put her username as the password. So it's working. She put it as her username. I got in my account. Let me change the password real quick. Let me change it real quick. Oh my god. I am. No. No. Okay, I changed the password. No. Should I change? Okay, so I'm gonna stop the video here. Thank you guys for watching. This is me getting hacked and me getting my account back. I really had a weird reaction, but that's okay. Bye, guys.